Goa has some of the most amazing beaches in India, and Talpona is one of them. The lovely crescent-shaped Talpona beach is untouched and is about 1 kilometer long. The beach is largely hidden away from the outside world. Talpona Beach is about 1 hour and 50 minutes drive from Daboli Airport. This beach is what Palolem Beach and Patnam Beach used to look like decades back. It's a very quiet, secluded and clean beach in the Kankona Taluka. You can just sit on the beach and watch the waves without anyone disturbing you. There are no beach shacks or beach beds, no hawkers bothering you. If lucky, you may get to watch the dolphins jumping near the shore. You are not disturbed by the sound of the motor as there are no boats on this beach. The beach is patrolled by lifeguards. Kindly follow their instructions and swim in safe zones. Driving your vehicle on the beach is strictly prohibited. As the shore is in pristine condition, we should do our best to maintain it. You can hire a scooter and explore the nearby villages, other beaches and waterfalls. Feel free to trek around the cliffside and take photos from the best spot on the beach. Towards the northern end of the beach, you will find a footway which will take you to Talpona River. It's just a 5 minutes walk. At Talpona River, you can book a dolphin safari and spot the carefree dolphins in the Arabian Sea and have fun. This is perfect for a family outing. Make sure to keep your camera ready to get the best photos of the dolphins jumping in the water. Due to its remote location, you can lounge on the sand or enjoy a tandoori at Nilchand camp. Nilchand Camp, which means Blue Moon Camp, is a quiet little getaway with only the lapping waves and white sand to keep you company. It's one of the best places to stay in at Talpona beach. The camp has eco-friendly huts that face the sea. These huts have air-conditioned, oversized double beds, hot and cold shower in the attached bathroom, and has unrestricted view of the Talpona beach. While keeping the camp simple, modern day necessities like Wi-Fi are also available. Make sure to visit their restaurant as you can see the sun sets while having a sip of tea. The beach is clean all the time. A couple of beaches in Goa are natural habitats for olive ridley turtles and are the best spots to witness this phenomenon. Talpona Beach is one of them. It's time for a new adventure. Let's visit Talpona, one of the most beautiful beaches in Goa. Thanks for watching today's video. Like and share to promote Amazing Goem. If you haven't yet, kindly subscribe to be updated of new videos. Google Map location down in the description box. Tag us with your beautiful photos at Amazing Goem.